Natesha tourist, still touring. Still touring.
Good thing never eat nothing today. Just see one body.
And see everything for now.
Look well.
Yeah man, just this alone me I eat, you know.
Oh.
I'm going to look more TV, you know, just pick them out 1, 1 and 2, 2, you know.
You know?
Yeah man, no rice, you know.
You know? 1, 1 and 2, 2.
Yeah man. Genius, what am I tell you? And what is Billy Goat? Billy Goat. Yeah man, Billy Goat me here.
Not wrong goat.
Billy Goat.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Cubans, you know, link with Americans, you know.
Natesha? Twice. Wow. We got the Diana. Look at it. Whoa. All this one? Sir.
One
Alright. Yeah. Whoa. Natesha, drinking wine tonight?
Alright, so we have two. We have a red and a white for the house wine, and we have a sparkling wine as well, alright? We have one red and one white. Sparkling. Alright, so your server is going to come over and he's going to get you all set up, alright? Thank you. Alright, my name is Dwayne and I'll come over and check in on you guys, alright? Thanks, Dwayne. Alright, you enjoy your dinner tonight.
Chef Gonzalez during the gas fire.
Red wine.
White rum, no ice.
White rum, no ice.
With ginger on it.
With ginger.
Ginger drink. One beer. What do you get? White rum and ginger? You can handle that?
Tomorrow, not tonight.
Do we have other drinks? You don't know drinks. You don't know drinks. You're not talking. Alright, Kino.
Cheers. Where's your red wine?
Cheers, man.
Cheers. Thanks for mixing it up.
Whoops, don't put the candle out. Cheers.
Thanks for mixing it up, man. Cheers, dog.
Yeah, man. Cheers.
Cheers. Aye.
Remember, Warren, it's not whether you like it or not, just mixing it up.
Yeah, man. Exactly. You might end up liking it. So.
Well, I'm end up like this already.
Really?
Rather than drink their fruit punch.
Yeah.
Can I steal some of your ice, man?
Yes, I.
Whoa.
Come on, yourself.
Thank you so much.
We have a national dish.
What up?
National dish, Jamaica national dish, man.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, a curry chicken back and white rice. You know, baby,
Oh. No, aya. No, aya.
Now that. I want that on the menu about tomorrow, yeah? Yeah?
I want your request. How are you? No, sure.
It's a national dish, wow.
Yeah, man.
Alright, there, yeah.
Alright?
Where's the national dish better?
No, a vegetable. This kind of alright, you know?
Yeah. Natesha, what do you think about the voucher for the national dish?
Too much of that, man. Now I live there and find still one Jamaica.
Yeah. You ever try sushi?
That can be tried, but try now.
They said sushi. He said she must try sushi. Yeah.
Sushi, none of them.
Yeah. That's a curry chicken back. Yeah, right.
Right.
Bring my go with that.
He said that is.
Bring my go with that. Foreigner there. To be KFC if you eat.
Yeah. He said that's not even KFC.
Not even KFC. Not even jerk chicken.
Okay.
They try the French fry.
Might have trying down everything.
Eh? Yeah, Oliver said a vinegar and soya sauce. But you can add other things to it to get the sweet taste. Like a little sugar, honey.
You need to put the sugar anyway to break down the vinegar. Especially the kind of vinegar you might use, which is the white vinegar.
Oh.
And then you put a little soy sauce too. I'm not saying that's the way to make it. That's how they make it, but I'm just saying if you want to.
Yeah.
And if you don't want to buy it at the store and you want to do something, you could do that. Yeah. Balsamic is. Let me show you.
I'm the only person in the Kino. You can look up a salad dressing in like 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Like, and then I'm always saying, why never made this before?
Yeah. And look, but we have the two chefs them right beside him. The two junior chefs. Listen to the senior chef. So the master chef. Teaching the chef.
The color is dark?
Yeah, black.
So this is the balsamic I was telling you about.
Okay.
Black vinegar.
So sometimes she'll make salad and realize you don't have any dressing, so I'll make dressing.
Yeah, I'm on the street.
Yeah, the curry chicken back there, man.
Curry chicken back there, wow. It's a wow, special order curry chicken back.
Good morning.
Delivered.
Alright, snap on with the rice. Come on, I want to take your woman them first.
What is the minister?
I'll take the rice.
Rice, yeah, snap a rice. Snap a rice.
I'll take that.
Alright, take your rice.
I'm sitting about the snap.
I got you there. Curry plus. Buy my rice.
Wow, curry chicken back. No, curry chicken back in order.
Ah, man. Buy my rice for you. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I some of the shrimps on.
Finish one. Let's come and pick it up.
So Carla, you having the
salmon with pumpkin rice.
Salmon and pumpkin rice.
Pretty good.
Got that plate over there.
This is my
Oh my.
with pumpkin rice and fried noodles.
Oh,
Pretty good.
what you got there, Natesha? That is it first. Oh, you have the snapper. I had to read
Snapper, too.
Snapper.
Dapper.
Read dapper.
Dapper.
Where it says Natesha the dapper with the snapper.
Yeah.
My.
Young Kino. There's a go large. Okay. We have the welder junior. Taking your time. Exclusive in reach yet. The three of them order curry chicken back. I ain't not reach yet. Wow Chef and Wormy and Jamila order the curry chicken back.
So far, when you get chicken back up.
So it's not ready as yet. Waiting on it. The reason why now they make it for them food here because it was a special request, you know, from the Wow Chef.
Yes, man.
Say him try it all already, they made the national dish. Really? Not once but twice.
Twice a time.
Fidel Castro kind of shout out to Oliver and say him realize that the Wow Chef shot or something. You know, see it there.
So we put a place on it, you know.
You know?
Yeah, man, right,
You know?
And I did proper glass later on a bit, you know.
You know, see it there again. Curry chicken back arrive, right?
Whoa!
Yes,
So curry chicken back is here?
No joke.
No joke.
Right away.
Curry chicken back, no joke. So the shrimp.
I'm gonna put some with a bar on it.
My.
Where's the curry chicken back?
Yeah.
Let me see her. The mixture of some shrimp in it. Let me see her now. Let me see her.
Say
name.
Yeah, Bob, just stop on and say, did I what?
That's mine.
You want the rice? No.
Huh?
My. What man?
I don't know which order of it. Oh,
Where's I going? Still gas and curry for your man them again.
What?
give thanks. Wow, Chef, you see a lot of curry again.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Sure, I'm fine.
Is that shrimp garlic?
Yeah, I'll give thanks for
Just
that.
each other, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna take one.
Wanna go to go?
No.
Yeah, no.
First of all, elephant man, Shankum, my uncle. Yo, my bangle.
Really, no?
Yeah, man.
Having a hot sauce?
Was the Wow Chef struggling? Wow Chef, wow, are you struggling?
Govern, man.
Go on.
Yeah, man, you know? Well, my favorite meat, yeah.
Flavor it.
Different from a national dish, you know?
Yeah. That's him.
National dish is number one.
But them say it's a yawa?
National dish is the number one dish.
No, what is it? It's a favorite or favorite?
Favorite, you know?
Yeah, favorite. Yeah, so we get that correct.
I look at the lobster tail and I look funny.
Oh yeah, cause a long time you hear about lobster tail, what go on? A lobster soup, them have.
Lobster tail, then you bust at the back and crack it so. Oh, you know what I say?
Yeah.
That you know. I work with the small lobster still, you know?
You know?
I need to put piece for you.
Carla, they have Jamaican night at buffet tonight.
Oh, not fish belly. Oh, go on. Wow, chef.
Pregnant overnight.
Oh, I go on. Is pregnant overnight.
You want to come like a Jesus.
Me and you are about to ball cherry.
That fish.
You never come here with it. Oh God.
You never came here with that.
Never come here and I saw me a go back.
No, you're not gonna go back.
It'll be alright.
Watch you as well. Lean up. Yeah, you know. Oh, chef can't move. Morning.
As they say, one team.
Dream team.
Dream team.
Dream team. Carla? AKA Diana.
What you said, Pina?
Natesha, watch your step, Natesha. Watch your step, Natesha. Please be careful, Carla. So we're heading in town. Wow. Well. So we're going to the city this morning. Taking Natesha for a month to go be a city tour. You know, so we're here. I will take Natesha for a month to go be a city tour. Outside the resort tour.
Overhead, we're driving on the road to the mountain. You want to play golf, Natesha?
I want to try.
All right, we'll try to hook you up.
You try golf yet?
Yeah, long time. That's way before. But we can't play. I don't swing on me all the time.
Me too.
How am I doing with the ball? It don't really go far. There's a glide on the ground.
It's just for the fun.
Yeah.
So, Natesha?
Of course. Well. But already. Let's go. Already. I want to go on a jam shop. I want to go on a jam shop. Ladies, Natesha, I want to go on a jam shop. Oliver, what's going on in John shop?
Huh?
What's going on in John shop?
Oh, them banana big so. Oh, them banana big so.
You know where I got
All these banana.
Where them come from?
That's a tourist, you know.
Yeah.
Them over there too, the lighter.
Oh, the lighter.
That's all it do.
I'm not foreign, so I'm big foreign.
You're saying foreign?
Yes.
So Natesha is in foreign.
Touring.
She's touring.
Non-stop.
It's a tour for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not in church son today?
No.
No, yesterday.
No. I'm sorry.
Oh, Chef Semrona.
Carla, Oliver, always.
All donors.
Big up all the donors then. Kino, big up yourself. No say a word.
Almighty.
Pablo, say nothing. Just go and stay so. Big up.
Same way.
To the right, further down.
Oh, the airport is to the right.
Yeah, on the
Sangster, right?
But further down, not further down.
That's Natesha heading to the airport, right?
You see they're doing all this preparation for expansion.
You're ready to fly out? Yes. We're flying back to church. Oh.
So what's it?
Going back to church though.
At the airport extension then?
No, I don't know what they're building up over here, but they clear it out to. They're gonna expand some stuff, but a lot of people that you know from the program,
yeah.
they know this road very well.
Okay.
Some of them haven't seen it since they were younger, 20, 30 years ago. They haven't seen it, so if you,
long time.
Yeah, if you show this to them, they'll like, oh my God, this is my, you know.
And what's the name of this road?
A1.
Oh,
yeah.
It's A1. Oh, this is the same road that take you back to
Circle Jamaica.
Circle Jamaica.
This guy to Portland, Lucy, everywhere. Westmoreland, St. Catherine, just steer right on the outside. It's the same road.
You can imagine I do a lot of driving in Jamaica though, Oliver.
Yes, sir. Oh, you mean me?
Yeah, I do a lot of driving.
Yeah, man. I only know these things after I left Jamaica. I couldn't afford to know these things when I was living here, you know. And
that seems to be the case for
most people, you know.
Yeah, in Jamaica. Can't get a chance, the opportunity to try to enjoy what's on their land, you know. See it. So as I would give thanks for this blessed season, for really enjoying this, because we get the opportunity, you know, and the opportunity is a lifetime experience, so you always remember it. Right, Natesha? More than.
I'm trying to break it up for Natesha, get after
the resort.
The high life with them rich people she hang out with.
Yeah.
And take a drive out and then go back to her high life with the rich people.
Yeah. No, Natesha can't wait to get back to the pool. Yes, Natesha ready for the pool.
A long time. Ready and waiting.
Yeah, man. Just so we reach back when we can go jump in that pool, boy. It's good. I can't ask Carla if she having fun. This is what she used to.
So the airport is right over here.
Coming here, Kino is like he does have a relaxing.
See the mountain over here.
Yeah, he does relaxing.
Different feeling.
Back in the days, there was a car rental place up here, Chalice. My Carla used to go pick up people.
Chalice. Yeah. You hear the name, the Chalice. Most Rasta man might think it's a weed spot, you know. Yo, the man have Chalice up there, say, you know. Yo, you know, see, weed most up there.
Yeah, man.
Pass the dutchie. I got the cutchie. days. Big up our history and know who's the Bible for years. And blessings to all say you make it. And we're then so.
It's right there.
The view, yeah?
Yes.
Just here, this road that I got down here.
That's what Montego Bay is known for. See the airport to the back side here?
See, Natesha's the airport is ready for fly out.
Soon go down the man. Soon reach. I live as
That's it. That's going to Lucy.
Lucy's probably about another hour, 2 hours from here, right?
Not too, but it's a good little ride. Maybe an hour and 10 minutes.
Hour and something.
Because once you get off of this pier and get around,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Man can take a picture. Carla, you're on that t-shirt.
Yeah.
Come forward. Carla, come on, girl.
Carl. Oh, mask. I left my mask.
No, we're not going on the boat. We're just showing them our boat.
So this is actually a boat out there. Houseboat.
How it works.
To pay for go across the bridge. Yeah. You have to pay to go across the bridge.
You ring the bell and the guy come and pull that thing over here and you go it and they take you over. So you can't eat and run out on the bell.
No. You better can swim. You better. Morning.
Oh, we're just looking, we're not coming over. Unless you got a meal on the house, you got something at the house? Oh, at 12? Alright, we're just checking it out.
Yeah. I think you look nice like me trucking out right now.
Jamaica, eat upstairs and the view is nice for the back. You see the back right there?
Yeah, the view is nice, man, everywhere. Nice.
The food is not bad.
Not bad.
Really good.
Oh, what's them fisher? They call them fisher again?
Which one? Oh, Jamaican call them piper. You mean the one at the top?
Yeah.
They call them
Piper.
in the US they call them houndfish.
Them things they use and juke you.
Chocolate. The road.
Yeah.
Beaches and all, couples and all kind of stuff.
I want to know there's so much hotels and resorts alone in Montego Bay.
Yeah.
One church and villa.
You want to see down there?
Yeah, man, we'll see anyway. When you say viewers, you want to see you down there?
Yeah, man.
Tourists. Natesha tourist, still touring. Still touring. Natesha, you back home?
Yeah.
You back home.
Going in the pool now.
Pool time. See, upper glass that.
Not mine, don't know.
I'm going to tell you, the way match your garments. Yeah, so we're back now, you know the thing I want. We're back at the Hilton, so don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Remember, don't forget to put the thumbs up. Please, when you see the thing go, whoa, like Ocean will say, whoa, you put the thumbs up, you know. Keep liking, you know. This is what help promote the program, so we can show the positivity outside. And plus this fun. You know, so don't forget to put the thumbs up. Blessings to all my downers. Dream team. One must say one team.
Oh!
Wow, yeah, run laps. Which part? Sure. Whoa.
Ready.
Yeah.
Responsive.
They look like one of them.
Buckle up.
Roads and bad.
Whoa.
That's what I put my night.
Wow. So you have purple range now work tonight?
Purple range.
That's outer range. Outer range tonight. Wow.
Champagne I got that.
Yeah, man, see that?
Sure. Wow. Living in style.
Yeah, you know.
Out the kitchen?
Yeah, man.
Living in style.
Living in style. 5-star life.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Why, but 7-star life, we should all live. Don't go 5 already, I like it, you know?
Yeah. We give thanks for you. Word me. Sure. Word me.
Purple range, you know?
Yeah, man.
Purple range.
Purple range, you say.
Yes, sir.
Champagne.
Look how much purple range, you know? Yeah, man, so purple range can stay for later, you know?
Yeah, me have your room.
I want to go right here.
See your room. See you them.
I want to go right here. Whoa. Word.
See you them for me. See it? Genius.
Three for you?
Just see that roast fish too.
Yeah. Strong up. Muscles.
You look like a muscle.
Yeah. Oh, chef, what you build up now?
Belly.
Man, the greatest thing I eat right now, conch. Hercules, you know?
No?
I mean,
How much plate there about? 2. You only have 3.
You try the last one, see that?
Junior have 2. Natesha boy.
Put the belly.
Yes, I eat to the belly, boss.
Wake up, look at me night, I'm going home.
Put them never eat nothing today. Just see one body.
And see everything for now.
You put belly.
Yeah, man. Just this alone, me I eat, you know.
Oh.
I'm going to put more TV, you know, just pick them out 1 and 2, you know?
You know?
Yeah, man, no rice, you know?
You know? 1 and 2.
Yeah, man. Genius, what am I tell you? And what is Billy Goat? Billy Goat. Yeah, man, Billy Goat, me here.
Not wrong good.
Billy Goat.
Whoa, shit.
So the dearest meat on the market go around here. Billy Goat.
And over here we have another plate. You see you have shrimp. You see you have conch. And what else? Lobster.
And this are the
octopus. The octopus that.
Act like a puss.
No actor. No puss. Actor. Actor, yeah, man. Actor. Yeah. No puss. Actor. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Actor me I eat, man. No puss.
Straight actor. Play your own role, of course.
Shrimps.
You want one?
Actor, you know. Conch.
Where's that name? Flip.
Swims.
Be careful,
Actor.
too much, it's not very
Conch. One of the best in the water. Lobster. You hear that? Yeah, man.
No curry chicken back tonight.
Billy Goat. No, man, this represents my national dish, man. Yeah, man, Billy Goat represents my national dish. Billy Goat.
Also have the you also wear me have the oxtail.
Yeah, man,
Curry. Billy Goat.
Really good too.
Everything.
Everything.
Fry. Go on have this. Go on have the fry.
Escovitch fish. Shrimp.
I don't talk about what I say now.
Go on have this.
Meal more than what I say now.
Sure.
Yeah, no?
Flavor it.
Oh, she will say flavor it.
like, you know, we're just going for the...
Yeah, just less.
Natesha, go and get your dessert.
So chef, when you get a chance, you take that upstairs.
Yeah, man, so this is not for later, I'm coming in. I'm coming about 2 o'clock. Look more, you know? I'm well hungry. Yeah, so let me tell you, it's nice later. Yeah, man, let me tell you, man. Billy Goat. Kino. Yeah, man, son of General, a joke thing. Go up there, one of them ask the brother, the man say, yeah, man, I have curry goat now. That's what the goat name, man. Say Billy Goat. I say, alright, I want it. Need a goat, they come. Everybody me talk about the goat, the Billy Goat. Never eat it yet, you know. Just eat it now. Actually, pan it now.
Whoa. Elephant man. How you go? Happy birthday to you. Yeah, so we're celebrating good times.
Yes, sir.
We wish it could have last for how long, Natesha? 1 year or more. So it's too bad it can't last for a year. Yeah. So this is definitely the last night at the resort. You know, and it's a celebration night. We have the wow chef. You know, where may be. You know them well packing right now with 2 bottles of champagne where wow chef flying and where me flying. So it's gonna be a toast to Oliver and Carla, you know, for the goodness what they've been putting out, you know, because as I mentioned, words can't explain what they've done, you know. This is a memory which is will last their lifetime, for a lifetime, because I will definitely remember this moment. You know, and I tell you, where me and Natesha would definitely do the same. Also, wow, shit.
Love the experience, love.
You know, and
Glad you guys enjoy the time, you know.
well, you know, it's never a dull moment while the wow chef is running as well. It was a great time, you know.
Yes, man.
It was a great time. It's sad to say the time flies so quick. And I did explain it to her and said, listen, by the time I'm quaint, the time I go fly. Right?
Enjoy myself.
Enjoy.
Full joy, everything. Can't complain. Eat them belly bus, drink, swim in a pool, I dive, I drive pan. Yeah, but
the moment this one I wait for, you know.
Yeah, moment.
Yeah, man, Jano.
yeah.
Slide.
Champagne right now for Oliver and Carla, you know.
Yeah, celebration time.
Natesha, you know.
Celebration time.
Remy up on the ground, see me, Remy. Oh, I'm going to tell you, Remy be good man.
Yeah,
so
surf.
alright, so we're gonna have wow chef.
Yeah.
And Remy pop the back there, we just have a toast. You know, we drink and celebrate to a special good night.
Carla. See that?
Yeah. Wow.
Father. Father. Mommy.
Yes.
Father. Give thanks to the church.
You're welcome, sir.
Run over, you know.
Whoa.
Nothing but love.
Nothing but love.
Cheers.
I know.
Run over and joke this.
Yeah, come on, well. I mean, that's a cheers to a good life.
Good life, always.
You know, look fun and wow. Oh, I go on, yes, sir.
Oh, because they're married today.
Yeah.
They're married today. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to
One to the dream team. One family. You know, we are celebrate for all and we are make it worthwhile. You know, big up all the members them. You know, blessings to who've been here. And blessings to who haven't been here as well as yet. So we give thanks and we are celebrate. Nothing but laughter and fun. You know, it's an adventure. It was an adventure.
Sweet one.
Sweet.
Can't complain, I see people.
Come.
Believe we want to go one back.
Jeez.
No one
Chef,
go.
you can't run off, you know.
Yeah, oh chef, what you want?
I could move, but can't move.
I feel like I grabbed up the boat something. That's how I say grab the boat something.
Like you tell me, boy, you're right, you tell me. Let me tell me what go on.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. Yeah.
It's a Cuba.
So tell me no some tomorrow. I'm going to come back.
Yeah.
You see? Run up to you.
At the canoe. I canoe.
Without life vest?
Yeah, man.
Without vest.
You know?
Oh chef got the canoe without vest.
Yo.
No
flow,
Blessed man.
Big up. Yeah, man. Big up to you for doing that, man. All support, all viewers.
I'll subscribe.
Love, straight. Oliver and Carla. Big thanks to everything.
Oh chef with the Cuban.
Pablo, big up.
Oh chef with the Cuban. Help him light it there.
Yeah, man. Presidential life.
Helping life today.
There you go, chef. There you go.
It's a Cuban cigar.
Straight from Fidel Castro.
You got to for the champion now.
When I reach a Cuba yet, I'm get one more pull there.
Yeah.
Can't show Cap Fidel them that with a reach over there.
Hold on, man.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, you have to bite this so yeah. So now you can blow. Lazy. Whoa. Whoa.
Everybody at New York and I beat them here.
Yeah.
Champion.
Sure. Sure.
Champion.
Sure.
One more?
Whoa, whoa.
I remember we wake up saying we have champagne. Now I'm done in the night. We have champagne for the morning. Yeah,
Cheers
man.
to the good life, GM team.
Yeah, man. Dream team, one team, man.
Cheers to the GM team.
Dream team,
Gino,
one
say your
team.
cup there.
It's here, man. It's here. It's here. I'm gonna say Oliver and Carla. Why, Oliver and Carla, as I'm gonna say, this is definitely a godsend moment for you lot to come and give us this experience, you know.
Well, it's
It is a
pleasure,
moment.
you know, and hopefully all the other team members just, you know, will just celebrate with us, you know, this
Yeah.
time. But it's a pleasure.
It's a pleasure, man. It's really a pleasure.
Yeah, man. All team members just watch the video and just celebrate with you know.
Yo, see you, man. I celebrate food.
Anytime I watch the video, next time I phone celebration, yeah.
Yes,
I
man.
want to.
Yeah, man.
Sure, the life.
Watch it. Look at my glass of the bubbles, my bubble up, watch it. Yo.
So like the chicken, like the curry chicken back.
Bubble.
Watch it. Come see them thing, yeah? Ja. Champagne a bubble up. You know. Cuban a blaze.
Right, sure, the chef really have a good time.
Yeah, man. See
I
me
must
there,
tell you,
yo.
I enjoyed this trip as much as the last one and the first one.
Yeah,
I'm glad
yeah.
you guys made it out, had a good time. That was my goal. And I'm very much so happy for Natesha and her kids, you know, to come and have a really good time. She was the one that I wanted to at first, but it never happened, and it happened now, and I think it's a perfect time, you know?
Yeah.
I'm grateful for everything.
Yeah, I'm glad you enjoy yourself. I watch you, you have a lot of laughs, a lot of food, a lot of water sports. I know you like windsurfing now, and you're very good at kayaking.
Yes, sir.
Best.
I think Jella and Bibi are gonna be jealous of your canoeing skills.
Yeah.
You need to learn from me, guys.
Oh, the
Looking
name.
at my team.
Yeah.
No, loving us when I beat right now. Cuban.
Hey Junior, you enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
You and your brother enjoy yourselves?
Yeah.
And your sister?
Yeah.
You wanna come back again?
I said no. Cheers to the good moment. Game shot today. Yeah, man. So we got full dry tonight.
Yeah. Finish that.
Before the music finish, you know, we continue full dry.
Party
So
time.
party time. Natesha say. I was a dream team.
One team.
We say dream team.
One team.
One team.
How go on?
Come again.
We say dream team.
One team.
Sure. We're young tradesman there. We just say dream team.
One team.
Dream team.
One team.
Oh.
Alright guys,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
very nice.
Ah, boy. Oh. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, I don't get a picture. I got to borrow food and coffee now. Yeah, brother. Better than it.
You don't tell him to me not come back. So when you show me in the vein.
You know, I guess this is it.
Sad
So, you know what I say? Remember say sad day.
Sad day.
Can't sad.
Wait, you don't want to go away.
You can run off with Chef.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I get sick. Go away.
That me realize you start.
I'm going to cry right now because Natesha here me the corner, you know? I don't know what I want on it.
I put it right
You know what Kino, you know?
there.
I don't want to go away because I use Natesha I cry up of the water.
Let me write us some.
Kino, I'm going to spend 4 more days or 5.
You never know.
Yeah, come and tell him
And
next
everything.
week.
Oliver and Carla,
Yes, sir.
thank you so much again. It's a pleasure.
Welcome.
You know, it's really a pleasure. And as I said, we don't know what to thank you. But we can always say thank you so much, you know, for the magnitude of love that you showed us, you know, from the get-go. And you never feel that way, you and your lovely wife, Carla, aka Diana. You know, and we're thanking you so much. Thanks, a million thanks, you know, thanks from too much. And don't got words to say.
Million thanks.
Just for this experience, it's an inspiration inspirational to everyone else that's here and that's who's watching. Because for Natesha, Remy, you know, Natesha and family and the Wow Chef, and for me, myself, CMA, it still continues, you know, inspire.
I'm sorry, I was just going to say something. This trip has been a long time coming, you know. This particularly was designed for Natesha. You know, just like many of your viewers saw the struggle that she has been through. Yeah. I wanted to give her a trip to symbolize a new beginning, you know, the new home that she has, and a fresh start for her and her kids. And hopefully I've accomplished that today. You know, give her a new outlook on life and feeling better about herself. And her kids have a good experience. Hopefully it will last a long time with them. That was a goal that Carla and I wanted to achieve, and like I said, hopefully it's achieved. You know?
Yeah. And we give thanks. We give thanks.
All for respect to the big man Oliver and his wife, you know. Carla, you know, Jano. Like Carla, I'm like Oliver. As all them deal with things, you know, really. You see me, I say? Yeah. Enough respect. You see me, I say, genius.
My girl.
Yeah, man. Oliver.
I'm going to adopt you one day.
Jano, Oliver.
You can't be so shy all the time, right? Nice seeing you.
Yeah. I know Oliver respect, you know, General. Kino. Father dead years ago, and I'm coming like the next father this, you know. You hear that? Yeah. Respect them. You see me, I say? Yes, sir. Enough love, you know, Oliver.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man, Diana.
Young Kino, how you doing, man?
I love you, Diana. Yeah, man.
Glad you had a good time, alright?
Yeah.
And I see you like that water, huh?
Good father.
Yes, man. Yes.
Love.
Oh, welcome,
Love.
man.
Glad to teach you for us.
I like the work you put in, man. I saw you working on Miss Donna, you know. I knew I had to bring you up, you know.
Give thanks.
I saw you on the roof and mixing all that cement.
Love.
Thanks.
Remy, you weren't in the kitchen for
Junior, how you doing, my young man? Yeah. I didn't know you could eat that much, but you're almost catching up to me, you know.
Alright, so we say I guess this is it.
Finally able to come and give you a hug.
I guess it comes to an end now. And we're gonna say Dream Team.
One team.
And we're gonna say Dream Team.
One team.
You know, let's start have a safe journey back home. Uncle.
Yes, sir.
You know. Diana.
Hey.
You know, it goes
love all the time.
Every time, man. So let's go. You know, ready?
Yeah.
Hit the road, Jack.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.